Hey everyone, welcome to Physics Notions. I'm Isha Tyagi. In previous video, we have already discussed about common algebraic identities and binomial theorem. In this video, we will discuss mensuration, logarithmic formula, and trigonometry. Let's get started. Mensuration is the branch of mathematics that deals with the study of geometric figures and their parameters, such as length, area, and volume. So firstly, we will discuss about circle. Now circumference of a circle is given by 2 pi r or pi d, because r, that is the radius of circle, is half of diameter of circle, and area of circle is given by pi r square and pi d square by 4 if you use diameter. If there is a sphere of radius r and diameter d, then surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and pi d square. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. If we talk about a cylinder of radius r and height h, then surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, or we can say 2 pi r multiplied by r plus h, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. If there is a cone of radius r and slant height l and height h, then curved surface area of a cone is pi r l and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. If there is a cube of side s, then volume of cube is side cube and surface area of cube is 6 multiplied by side square. Then there are some logarithmic formulas. Let's first understand what is logarithm of any number. Log of any number to a given base is the power to which the base must be raised to obtain that number. That means if n is equal to a raised to the power x, then log of n to the base a is equal to x. Let's understand this with the easiest example. If 100 can be written as 10 raised to the power 2, then we can write it as log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Also, there are some basic formulas in log. First is product formula, that is log of m into n is equal to log of m plus log of n. And second is quotient formula, that means log of m upon n is equal to log of m minus log of n. And then is power formula, which is log m raised to the power n is equal to n multiplied by log of m. And then base change formula, that is log of m to the base a can be written as log of m to the base b multiplied by log of b to the base a. All these formulas are used in physics. Now let's discuss about trigonometry. Trigonometry is the widest and most popular branch of mathematics, and it has too much use in physics also. So it is very important, you can never skip trigonometry. How we measure an angle in trigonometry? The system used here is circular system. In this system, one right angle is equal to 90 degree, and this symbol over 90 is called degree, and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes, this is the symbol of minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. These two lines are the symbol of seconds. Now unit of angle. What is the unit of angle? Degree, minutes and second are not just the unit of angle, but unit of angle used in trigonometry is radian. 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. This gives us a formula. Theta is equal to length of arc upon radius. Theta is equal to L by R. This is the length of arc and R is the radius of circle. And this is the angle subtended, theta. This formula is very beneficial for using in conversions. If there is an angle given in degree, you can convert it in radian by this formula. If this arc start from here and cover whole circle, then theta will become 360 degree, and this formula will be 360 degree is equal to 2 pi r, that is the circumference of circle, and r, that is the radius of circle. So we will get 360 degree is equal to 2 pi. From here we get a conversion of degree, that means pi radian is equal to 180 degree. From here we got a conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian. Also we will discuss about the trigonometric ratios you are already familiar with as you have studied them in previous classes. If there is a triangle ABC of base B and perpendicular P and hypotenuse H, then sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Also from all these basic trigonometric ratios, we understood that cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Since this sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal of each other, and similarly cos theta is reciprocal of secant theta and tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. So from this we get that secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. This is the fundamental trigonometric relation, and there are also some other relation that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. You can see this by comparing them. Similarly, cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Also, if you add sin square theta and cos square theta, it will be equal to 1, and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is also equal to 1. These are some basic trigonometric relations you always have to remember. Now these are the trigonometric ratios of allied angle. If you see a graph which has center here and 1, 2, 3, this is the number line, -1, -2, -3, -4, then you can see the 4 quadrants, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So imagine this table as 4 quadrants, and there are the values of trigonometric ratios in each quadrant written here. You have to learn this table. You have to remember small things, that sine of minus theta means when angle is covering 360 degree and it is coming again here, then we take minus theta. Also this is the 90 degree angle, also this is 90 degree, so we take 90 minus theta here. And in second quadrant this angle is 90 plus theta, so we take 90 plus theta. And this complete angle is 180 degree, so we can also write 180 minus theta here. Now if we move forward, then this angle is getting 180 plus here in third quadrant. So we use 180 plus theta here. Also we can use 270 minus theta because this complete angle is 270. Similarly in fourth quadrant we use 270 plus theta, and we can also use 360 minus theta. Here where this is 180, there is no change in trigonometric ratio, but here 90 is there, then there is a change in trigonometric ratio. Similarly, look at all the quadrants, you will see this change. One more thing to remember here is that the signs of all the trigonometric ratios in first quadrant is positive, and here in the second quadrant the signs of sine and cosecant is only positive. In the third quadrant the sign of tan and cot is only positive, and in the fourth quadrant only the cos and secant are positive. Also you have to learn the following table which has values of trigonometric ratios for some standard angles. Now you first learn these angles series and then learn this series. You just have to learn sine and cos value. After that you can derive the tan, cot and secant, cosecant by these values only by using simple trigonometric identities. Here are some important trigonometric formulas that are used in both mathematics and physics. If you learn these formulas, then you know very well how to use and where to use formula to solve physics derivations. These formulas are also used in numericals. Now these and these are angle addition formulas. You have to learn them by regular practice. Similarly, there are double angle formulas in which angle gets double. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a, which is also equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. And cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, which is also equal to 1 plus 2 sin square a, and also equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, and also equal to 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. This formula is very important since it has so many forms. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. These power reducing formulas are also derived from these formulas. Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Now see this formula. This is derived from this, and cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a upon 2 is derived from this formula. Tan square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a upon 1 plus cos 2a is derived from above two formulas by dividing sin square a and cos square a. If you try to solve, then these formulas are also derived from these formulas. These formulas are called half angle formulas. Similarly, there are triple angle formulas. Similarly, there are sum and difference to product formula. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. You can learn them in reversible manner also. Then there are sum to product formulas. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus of 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. If you try to understand, then you will find that there is some similarity in these formulas. So it is up to you how you learn these formulas. We will discuss these two topics in next video. Thanks for watching.